All right, so most retaining walls fail due to improper drainage, or they just didn't build it correctly. But 99% of the chance, I would say it's because of drainage. As always, I hope everyone's doing well, staying positive.
All right, have a good one.
All right, you too. So I'm not going to go too much in detail in this video. I'm going to let it play out a little bit, leave some notes on some key parts. We do have a couple videos, you can check them below, that goes really into detail on the French drain system. I kind of walk through it step by step, but I just kind of want to refresh for this year and just kind of point out some things. I get a lot of questions about the drainage system, so I'm gonna let the video play out. Now, if you guys have any questions or any comments, please leave them below. I will get back to you ASAP. And while you're down there, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and all that fun stuff. We're almost at 6,000 subscribers, so I definitely appreciate everyone that subscribed to our channel over the last year and a half. And again, if you have any questions, any comments, please leave below. Other than that, check out the video, let me know what you think, and go from there. All right, so I hope this video helped you guys out. If you're in the Sacramento Bay Area, you can always hit us up. All our information is below. Everyone else, I appreciate you taking your time and checking us out. And remember, hang around people that are positive. It's cool to ask for help. Make it a good one.